Hey guys, today I got something. Day 19 of Vlogmas, December 19th, 2020. Vlogmas 2020. Last night when I got home, I turned on Facebook real quick and I saw our keynote guru Bradley Vinson reviewing graphics from the day before, from day 17. And he'd already been up there for about 30 minutes or so. Here's a little bit of what he had to say.
Brother Rich, I know you. The people don't know you. Okay? So that's the deal. All right. So brand, simple brand, get that bug in the corner. I'm kind of flying through the folks that don't have anything because that's the thing. You don't need a special overlay.
So I said, wait a minute, he's talking about me. So I tore into a couple of his tutorials. I thought I could put my name down here with my social handles. I was trying to animate between YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, but couldn't quite figure out how to do that. But I did create the static branding, white text, just like he said. If you're gonna brand somebody, brand yourself.
Here's the takeaways. If you're gonna brand somebody, brand yourself. Text is always a good backup. Just type out your name, stick it in a corner, use your name, use text. Text is an excellent fallback. Just type it out, stick it in the corner.
And I'll put my company logo in the lower right corner so I'd have a subscribe button. He said he was going to be watching these and see if anybody updated it, so let's see if he's watching. Bradley, shout out to you. Gosh, his Vlogmas entries are great. And you know what? He's stopping. He's not doing it anymore because he's a family man and he's going to spend time with his family for the next 2 weeks. That's awesome. What a great bunch of people. Today we were doing our podcast at 1 o'clock Central and got a visit from DJ Strick and James Rowley. It was kind of nice of them to chime in. Saturdays are kind of a hard time to get people to stop and watch a video, so. But during the week, during the day, we can't do it. There's real life work going on, so. But that's that. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. If you got something out of this, click the like button, hit subscribe, and click that bell to get a notification if I put up something new. Happy Vlogmas, y'all.
If you're gonna brand somebody, brand you.